Sorry about that, y'all. Flamin' Jackson here. Hope everybody's doing alright tonight. This product right here that I'm eating right now, I've already reviewed once before, but I was going to spice it up a little bit more. What I'm eating right now is the SAMYANG 2X Spicy Hot Chicken Flavored Ramen. Now, I've had this before, and these are some really good noodles. I really enjoy these. But since I've already reviewed it once before, I figured I'd switch things up a little bit and spice it up some. That way, it could actually be, a challenge, sort of. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put some of this Moruga scorpion powder on here. This that I got from Boston Ballistic Hot Sauce Company. This is Smokin' Ed's Moruga scorpion hot pepper powder. Pucker Butt Pepper Company. There we go. It's some good powder, y'all, too. Oh, I love the aroma of scorpion powder. So I'm going to, sprinkle this on here. And if it ain't hot after I do this, something's wrong. There we go. I got an even coating all over her stuff, and this powder, it's some very hot stuff. So, it should make these noodles very interesting, y'all. I appreciate y'all so much for watching my videos. I'm trying to put out, more content than I was. Trying to switch things up a bit. Make sure if y'all like my videos, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share. Make sure you hit that notification bell, that way you'll be aware of any future videos I come out with. I got a lot more content, a lot more videos, a lot more challenges and reviews in store for the future, y'all. So y'all please stay tuned. Just make sure it's good and mixed, y'all. Probably should have let just a little bit more of the juice in this, but it dried up a little bit before I start this video. I went on pre-made these, and I couldn't find this scorpion powder nowhere. I looked and looked and looked, and I finally found it. And by the time I got this video started, most of the juice done, evaporated from the noodles. But that's alright, y'all. Alright. Let's get your CD. Yeah, it's definitely hotter. Which, the noodles, they had some heat anyway. But I figured I'd change stuff up a bit because, I already reviewed these once. I didn't want to review it again a second time unless I, change something about it. So I said, well, why not? I'll just make it hotter. I'll put some more of this Moruga scorpion powder on here, and that'll, it'll add some more heat to it. It's good, y'all. Real good. I really enjoy these noodles. I haven't really been. I've been trying to slack off on my pasta, y'all. I'm trying to eat healthier and everything. So, after I get done reviewing the noodles and the pasta I have, I'm going to slack off. So I'm not saying I won't ever eat pasta again, because I will. But I'm trying to moderate myself, limit myself to how much pasta, I'm eating throughout the week. That is so good, y'all, really. It's good by itself, but when you put that scorpion powder in it makes a difference, y'all. These things are a habit for me, y'all. Once you start eating, it's just hard to stop, Capsaicin quiver. Alright, let me get a paper towel real quick. I should have got this before I start the video. I thank y'all so much for watching this video. This was the SAMYANG 2X Spicy Hot Chicken Flavor Ramen. Like I said, I reviewed this in the past, as is. But I figured I'd do it again, but this time I'll spice things up a bit. I guess I'll go and read the ingredients for y'all again, in case y'all didn't get to watch my, my original review that I did of this product here. Ingredients: noodles, 76.7% wheat flour, 52% tapioca starch, 12% palm oil, 11% wheat gluten, salt, soybean oil, water, acidity regulator, potassium carbonate, sodium carbonate, sodium phosphate, dibasic, sodium polyphosphate, citric acid, thickener, gum, emulsifier, lecithin, color, riboflavin, Soup, 22.7%. Water, artificial chicken flavor powder. White sugar, soy sauce, red pepper powder, soybean oil, onion powder, chili extract. Excuse me, y'all. Salt, garlic powder, tapioca starch, yeast extract powder, black pepper powder, and curry powder. And flake, 0.6% roast, sesame, roasted laver. And it says on the back here, the 2X spicy hot chicken flavor ramen is 8,808 Scoville heat units. Which, you know, it's hotter than that since I put the Moruga scorpion in it. It really does taste good, y'all. If you haven't had the opportunity to try this, you need to. Flavor-wise, I give it stuff a 9 out of 10 for flavor. Heat-wise, I probably got up to probably about I would say I got to about a 7 on my heat level, close to it. So I'm going to go and give it a 7 on the heat. It's really good stuff, y'all. If you haven't had the opportunity to try this, go out and get y'all some. But once again, I'm Flamin' Jackson. I appreciate y'all so much for watching this video. This will probably be my last video for tonight. I hope y'all sleep well. Also, make sure y'all check out Peppers for Christ. That's a YouTube channel. Also, check out Peppers for Christ, the Facebook group. Check out Flamin' Jackson. That's a Facebook group, and check out Flame On. Also, y'all, check out Peppers for Christ on Instagram. Check it out, y'all. Be glad y'all did. I hope y'all have a blessed night. God bless y'all. Sweet dreams, y'all.